In the currency quadrant, taking a look at the December Japanese yen, which is finishing a down week after briefly having been higher on the week. The yen turned around and got its fifth consecutive negative week lower. The high today, 66.24. That was up almost 0.2%, actually 17 basis points to be exact. And the low today, 65.68, was down just short of 0.7%, 68 basis points to be exact. And as we come in toward the settlement, we're looking at down 0.57%. So almost at the lows, down just short of 0.6% on the settlement. Now, looking at the economic problems in Japan, markets are expecting Japanese GDP to have slowed sharply in the third quarter. Elevated prices may offset some of the wage increases that the Japanese consumers have seen, and with the traditional high cost of living not really easing in any way, shape, or form, it's acting like a major drag on the economy, according to analysts. And this is probably a worry for policymakers as they move forward. It might be part of the reason that the Bank of Japan kept interest rates unchanged at this meeting. Now, next week, we've got the Bank of Japan meeting minutes coming out, so we'll find out a little bit more. But the Japanese officials at the Bank of Japan implied that more rates could be coming. Kazuo Ueda, who is the head of the Bank of Japan, said our basic stance is that if economic and price outlooks are realized, we'll respond by raising rates. Now, whether the market believes them or not, doesn't seem like they believe one of two things. Either that the economic data or the price of outlooks are going to be realized, or they don't believe that they'll actually raise rates, one or the other, because this weakness in the Japanese yen is pretty profound as of late.